Hey, what's up everybody? Joe here with another setup vid, and today we're going to be tackling setting up P2P on our SIBELL recorder. Now the following video instructions will work with any SIBELL recorder, whether or not it's a DVR or an NVR. So first, what is P2P? Well, P2P is short for peer-to-peer networking, and essentially what that means is that your recorder and your device connect to an authentication server that's extremely secure. So before we get started, the one thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that your recorder is set up and has gone through its rudimentary startup processes. Additionally, when you're done setting up your P2P, make sure to check out one of our other videos on adding that recorder to either your PC, smartphone, or tablet using our SIBELL NVMS software for the computer or SIBELL Mobile for your mobile device. Now, let's check out our rudimentary setup checklist and get started. First, make sure the recorder is powered on and you can see your cameras on the local display. Next, make sure there's an Ethernet cable firmly connected to the LAN port on your recorder. If you're using a recorder with more than one LAN port, use LAN port number 1. Also, make sure that same cable is firmly connected to a port supplying internet on your router. It's important to know that you shouldn't try to use any PoE ports for this setup. Many recorders have a group of onboard PoE ports. Those ports are for cameras only.
The first thing we need to do is log into our recorder if we have not already done so. We can do this by right-clicking anywhere on the screen with the recorder's mouse, which will automatically prompt the dialog box. Use the mouse to input your username and your password in order to log in. Once logged in, move the cursor to the lower left corner of the screen, and you will see a menu bar appear on the bottom. On that menu bar, you will be able to see an icon that resembles a circle with 4 squares. Click this icon, and then click Settings on the top menu that pops up afterwards. This will then bring up the main settings menu. We're only concerned with the network option. Go ahead and click on Network. Okay, so now we are on the network menu, and by default it has put us on the TCP/IP tab, as you can see up here on the tab bar. We need to be in the NAT tab in order to activate P2P, so let's go click the NAT tab now. Now that we're in the NAT tab, I'm sure you'll notice the giant QR code right away. This QR code represents the recorder's serial number, which is also written below the code. In our videos on adding the recorder to mobile, PC, or Mac, we'll explain how to use this QR code. For now, we need to activate the P2P function. To do this, simply click the box you see next to Enable and then hit Apply. I bet you won't believe this, but you're already done activating P2P. Yep, it's that quick.
Okay, so now that P2P is activated on your recorder, what now? Well, likely you're going to want to be able to actually use that P2P feature through your smartphone or for your computer. So what you're going to want to do next is check out one of our other setup guides on either how to add that device to SIBELL Mobile on your smartphone or how to add it to SIBELL NVMS on your computer. Until next time, guys, stay safe and have a great day.